Upset about ruined clothes? Out. Sick of dirty clothes? Out. Tired of breakdowns? Out. Unhappy with noises? Out. Aha! LG is here to help. Introducing LG's Inverter Direct Drive technology. Fabric protection, washing performance, durability, quiet. How is it possible? Conventional motors have too many unnecessary components. But LG's Inverter Direct Drive motor is designed only with essential parts, improving performance and durability. Improving the way the world washes. Leveraging our leadership in washing, LG is now delivering the next level of clean with AI technology.
We could do it.